Filled out. We'll put the glass back in. So just take it. Okay, well you're gonna.
Got it.
Okay.
Need somewhere to set that?
I'll just set it on my toe.
Put it back in there.
Just don't be.
This problem you can see. You can hear it's working really slow. And here's the part that's bad.
What is it?
This part right here.
Yeah.
Here.
Yep.
See, it's working way too slow. See how the cam is. That cam should turn. It should turn like this. And I'm surprised it hadn't burnt the game up. Okay. See, somebody's did something with it before because there's parts of another one.
Is it?
Yeah, someone's had it. So, what I'll do, I'll go and take these with me in this motor because that's what I'll put back on there. I'll replace it or find out. Yeah, they busted something with it. Overall, it's not a bad looking game. Back glass is pretty nice. Usually they're all fading and flaking. Well, once you see the play field after it's done, you'll think like, man, that can't be the same game.
Same play field, not the same game.
Well, once it's all done. But there's what takes.
It wasn't scarred up real bad though, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it'll clean up pretty good. Like I said, all this right here is what will take a little while to do because these stepper units. Okay, what we have here is a fantastic paint loss here. It is a very, it looks like a scratch in the plywood. It's not cracked, there's a big scratch in it. And you can see it's probably an old rubber ring kit. You can see the grazing in the paint to clean out. In a previous video, you've heard it not running very well. Like the cam and stuff in there is all screwed up. I don't know exactly what is wrong with it, but I'll replace the parts and rebuild that in another video. Again, you can see how filthy it is. There's a lot of paint loss around here. I'll never be able to match that. The only thing I'm really going to do is clean it really good and, let it go as that. I'm not a professional on tightening, touching up the paint. But, you know, I may get brave and try to repaint this down here. Maybe if it cleans up real good, maybe touch all this up and then clear coat it. Playfield's got a lot going on with it. It's got a bowl saver here. Then it's got a gate here. This is kind of a takeoff of a game called Granada, I believe, and another game called Spanish Eyes. Guy I know, I've worked on his Spanish Eyes because it had some issues with it, and I did what I need to do to get it up and working. As you can see, there's a lot going on here. A lot of cleaning. A lot of checking. I haven't figured what this board is. I've never seen this before. It's got a transistor in it and a resistor, and I'll have to research that. I can pull up should be able to pull up a manual on Internet Pinball Database. I'll be taking off some of these parts and running them through my my polisher. Actually, that seems to be working pretty decent. No, maybe not. I don't have it quite centered on my thing. As you can see, it's heavy on one side, but I still got a lot of work to do my rotisserie here where I can actually make a bracket for this so I can adjust to different angles. I haven't got that far on it yet. That's kind of my little cubby worky thing. Right there is my little doggy's bed. Before I was even done building this thing, she was already took control of it, was underneath there, so I figured I'd leave that for her. It'd be her little spot. Don't look like there's any plastics broke in it I can see. There's some paint loss right here, one. And there's a big scratch right here. They probably done that when they done the ring kit a long time ago. And this video's also so I can see how everything is when I go to put it back together. Put the rubber ring kits in, providing the rubber rings were done right to whoever did this. Right out to my truck and get that cleaner. It's in the bed. You can see a lot of spots right here. My son going out getting some cleaner. I'm trying a new cleaner out. As you can see, there's a lot of paint that's really grazed bad. It's coming off. But what I can do is I can match that collar, and I'll repaint those. But I gotta figure out how I'm gonna match that collar, because it's kind of an odd pinkish orange or orangey pink or whatever color you want to call it. And the other thing too is when you put it, when I had it working, when the ball would land in these here, it wouldn't work. It worked on this one, but it wouldn't work on that one. Probably just needs cleaned. Here comes my son back in with the thing. Okay, I'm going to sit that down there for a minute. Okay, I got a little bit of rubbing alcohol here. Give me a rag.
Clean.
Yeah. Wally, looky there. See the big difference in it? Let me turn it up into the light a little bit. Now you see the big difference just that cleaner does. That's Mr. Clean Magic Erasers and alcohol. I did that.
That's 90 erasers.
So let me do another little spot right here where you can see that right there. There we go.
Smells pretty clear, ain't it?
See the big difference? Big difference. Try another color area. Maybe something where it would, see if it will show up better. Big difference. Okay, that's part of this video. Thank you. Goodbye.